What's up, guys? It's your girl Steph here, and I'm on board the beautiful Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. Guys, I've never been on this ship before. It is simply beautiful, and I had to join the ship in St. Thomas. My first time flying internationally since everything shut down, and it was a lot, but I am here, and I cannot wait to show you my ocean view stateroom with the view of the bow. Relaxation in the sun. I know you're like, what the hell is that? I've never stayed in a room like this before, but it's so interesting and so cool, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So let's get into it. But before we get started, you know how we do. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please comment and like and subscribe. And turn on your notifications. Let's get into it. They treat me like a queen. Just come and say I'm choosing royal. Okay, so this is your ocean view stateroom with the view of the bow. I'll explain that in a second. But you've got your lovely artwork on the wall. You've got your cute little couch. It's almost like a, what is it, a chaise lounge? Love that. Anyway, plenty of closet space, right? Then over here is our little desk with our outlets, our plugs. In case you're wondering how many outlets you have, cute little chair, masks, hand sanitizer. There's the door. Hey, y'all. Oh, let me show you this. On these ships, you have to have one of the little light things in order for the lights to come on. It's an energy saving thing, so just make sure you keep that in the wall. Don't be like, my lights don't even work. Why my lights don't work in the room? It's because you ain't got that in the door. Okay, so let's keep walking, I love this. Shelf storage. I'm here for that, okay? You got more drawers. You got a refrigerator down here. Or is this a safe? What is this? No, it's a fridge. It's just got numbers on the outside of it. Fancy. All right. So, got your drawers. You have a full-length mirror here to make sure you're cute for when you step out. Got a big old bed here. And then you've got your phone with more storage space underneath. There's more drawers down here as well. You can also put stuff under your bed. That's where I normally put my suitcases. We've got a TV, and I know you're wondering, does the TV tilt and swing out? You better believe it, baby. All right, so here's what's cool about this room, okay? This is the view of the bow. So check that out. We're right at the front of the ship. I mean, I can't wait till we take off tonight and like get to see like just water in front of us. That's gonna be so dope. But here's what's cool about this room. Are you ready? Are you ready to rock? See? Here we go. Look at this. Check this out. It's like a garage door opener for your window. Instant privacy. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. I mean, we're gonna get some good sleep up in here tonight. And here's a view of the whole room. Just awesome, right? Really, really cool. I mean, I'm feeling this, Symphony. I'm feeling this room. And we're just gonna let it down again just because we gotta let the sun shine in. Isn't that dope? So I don't know how you request one of these rooms. Hey, crew members. Won't be getting naked up in here with this thing down. That's for sure. Anyway, I think this is the crew deck. Oh, I get to see what goes on the crew deck. What y'all doing out here? What's going on? Anyway, this room is dope. I'm only here for a couple of days, so I like this extra floor space. So I can just have my suitcases right there up against that wall. And we don't even have to really unpack. But even if you did, there's plenty of storage and closet space. So I know you guys want to see the bathroom. Here we go. All right. Here is the bathroom. I love the modern decor in here. So nice. So nice. And here's your shower. Everything is sparkly clean. I can't wait to take a shower, child. Joining this ship today was a lot. It was a lot. Okay, here's the view coming out of the bathroom. And guys, this is the room. Not much to it, you know, but very, very nice. Very sleek, very sexy on the... I'm gonna have to call you Sexy Symphony. You know what I'm saying? Royal, best ships that I've ever seen. I'm choosing royal. Oh, they treat me like a queen. Just come. Well, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so excited about this channel. It is growing. We are over 700 subscribers, and I still just cannot believe it. So thank you guys so much. It just blows my mind every single time. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the Symphony of the Seas ocean view room with the view of the bow. Now you see what it looks like. 12 years at sea, I've never stayed in a room like this before, so I will let you know how my nights are, how I sleep. Now, for those of you that are new to my channel, I'm an entertainer for Royal Caribbean. I do a tribute to Whitney Houston, so check out some of those behind the scenes vlogs. But my show is tomorrow and the next day, and then I have to disembark because I was supposed to be here all week long, but you know that bad winter storm, my flight to Miami got canceled from Vegas, so they flew me to St. Thomas. If you want to see all of that, I vlogged all of that on my channel. It's been quite an experience, but 2-3 COVID tests later, amen, we are here. But I can't get as much footage of the ship as I would like to, but I will try and get as much footage of the Symphony of the Seas as I can, okay? And if you guys, I see you guys asking, like, what ships am I going to be on? Diva, look, divaoftheseas.com. Just go right there, divaoftheseas.com, and I will have all of my 2022 cruise dates up for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. I'll see you in the next video.
The lady thanks you for watching.